Hi and welcome to my channel. My name is Brit, and if you've never been here before, I'm an esthetician, beauty therapist, and I've been 30 years in the beauty spa industry. I know, long time, right? So without further ado, today's video is going to be another RoC Skincare. Yes, I'm a big fan of RoC Skincare, and it's going to be about multi-correction, even tone and lift for the face, neck and chest. So without further ado, let's get into the video. But first of all, this cream, what is it for? So it's for dry skin, dull tired skin, hyperpigmentation, wrinkles and crepiness. Okay, so the claims are that within 4 weeks, sagging skin is visibly firmer, discoloration, hyperpigmentation is improved, and fine lines and wrinkles are reduced. So I have been using this cream for 2.5 months, so it's fair to say I can now give it a review. So it comes in this jar here. It's a 1 ounce size and it's $27.99. Okay, so what I like about this cream is it's non-comedogenic, which RoC are very good about that with their skincare. Like, I have used many of their products and I have never had a problem, even though I have sensitive skin, be it oily, but oily skin can still be very sensitive. So it's non-comedogenic, it's dermatologist tested, and this cream is very lightweight. It's actually a beautiful texture. You can actually wear this, unlike many sunscreens. You know, it can interfere with your makeup application. This is a beautiful base for your makeup, so you don't need to worry about it interfering with that if you're like me and you apply makeup. The fantastic thing about this day cream is if you can either use it on its own, or if you don't want to miss out, because maybe if you're using, say, vitamin C in the morning, which is actually best, that's when you should really use your vitamin C, is best in the morning, use your retinol at night. But if you're using these, you don't have to miss out. You can still use them. Just wait a little bit before you apply this on top. Or as I say, you can wear that on its own. Or if you're using just the retinol regimen, you could use this and then use your day cream on top. So the only thing I would say is a disadvantage is it has a very slight fragrance. It's like a very light, fresh scent. I mean, it doesn't bother me, but some people, you know, are allergic to fragrance, so it does have a very slight fragrance to it. So now let's talk about the fabulous ingredients that are in this anti-aging day cream. And I'm also going to show you how I used it in the morning, and I'm going to review. Okay, so let's go on to the ingredients. So we have, first of all, shea butter, which is rich in fatty acids, gives you fabulous hydration, is very soothing on the skin and healing, so almost any skin type can use shea butter. Vitamin E, which promotes healthy skin and prevents wrinkles. We have hexaresorcinol, which is a type of lipid. It's a skin brightener, hence it's good for hyperpigmentation, and it stimulates antioxidant activity. We have maltodextrin, which is a plant-based sugar, and that is good for sensitive skin. It's a plant-based sugar and it comes from rice, potato, corn, and that's very soothing for the skin and gives the skin suppleness. We have blackberry leaf extract, which is rich in antioxidants, so it helps fight the free radicals, which keeps your skin really smooth and supple, and it boosts the collagen production, so it helps plump and regenerate the skin. Then we have dill extract, which promotes collagen and elastin production, which slows down the signs of aging. And you know, the collagen and elastin are primary proteins to give the skin the structure and elasticity. So that's it for the ingredients. Okay guys, I'm going to show you my application of the cream, and before that, of course, I apply the best eye cream on earth, RoC Retinol Eye Correction, If you have not tried this, you are missing out. Trust me. No Botox, no fillers here. Just good skincare and sun protection. So, I would apply this, my eye cream, and then say for example your vitamin C, or your, depending on the climate you're in and also your skin, you know, not everybody has the same skin type. So if you're more dehydrated, as I say, you can use your serum and your cream. Just wait a little bit of application time and then put your cream on. So I actually use this generously because it's SPF, right? So I apply just for quickness, so I'm not taking up your time. But you will see with this, it's a beautiful texture. And you can see that I'm applying quite a bit. I'm applying liberally because, you know, with sun protection, it is important to apply quite a bit, you know. Apply it adequately. So, as you can see, it's a gorgeous texture. And even though it's so lightweight, hydration is incredible. So, as I say guys, you can apply your other serum or cream beforehand and just wear this as sun protection with the anti-aging benefits also, or just apply it on its own. It's entirely up to you. Depends on what climate you're in and what skin condition you have. So let's carry on with the video. Did I feel an improvement in my skin? Okay, for pigmentation, actually, since I've been using the RoC Skincare, as you'll see on this playlist, I've like experimented quite a lot. Pigmentation has actually drastically improved, okay? For this cream, personally, on my neck, I did feel a big improvement. Slight lift here, but my main thing that stood out for me was the lines in my neck, which was seriously starting to bother me. Because as we all know, where we age quickest, right? We're the first signs of aging. Under your eyes, I'm lucky so far, touch wood. The nasolabial lines, yeah, they're definitely here. Under the neck area, and the décolleté. The décolleté is probably where I find the most where I've aged. Now, my advice for skin types, okay, for dry skin or dehydrated skin, I would suggest that you still use your morning care, be it vitamin C or your retinol, and apply this on top. If you have oily skin like me, you know, this would be enough for you, just the cream itself. Or just use your serum and then the cream. Sensitive skin, I don't know, you'll need to play around because, you know, as I say, my skin is sensitive, but I've never had any problem with the RoC Skincare. But definitely, if your skin is dehydrated, I would definitely still use your cream, because that's the fantastic thing about this. You can still use it as a supplement and as sun protection, you know, to get all the benefits from what you're using in your regimen plus this cream. Because unlike the Ordinary, which I'm actually started a playlist on that, the Ordinary can be very confusing, and it's like going back to my cosmetic chemistry days. You have to really be careful what you're using and what you're mixing. The RoC Skincare is fantastic because it takes the guesswork out. There is no harm with using your retinol or your vitamin C before this SPF cream, and that's why I like it. So with that being said, I hope you enjoyed this review. You know, please consider subscribing. You know, I do skincare tutorials, skincare reviews. Skincare is my #1 passion. So until the next video, I'll say adios and have a good one. Bye.